and broke down. Need help, Paul? Need help push? I help you. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Hey, do they have Peria here?
Very?
Peria?
Peria.
Not yet.
In Santa Ana, we have.
Yeah. But they moved. They left. They may be here somewhere, setting up now. But I don't know where to look. Okay. I'm going to walk near that bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, they okay?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. I'm just taking video. There's some YouTube vlogging. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Some vlogging for Candaba. Because it's so nice here. It's really the river. Big. Is that along the Po River?
No. This is Pampanga River.
Pampanga River.
Yes.
Okay. It's a big river.
Yeah.
And they have a fisherman down there too, guys. So I thought I would come down and get on the bridge. Hello, how are you? And show the Pampanga River. And it goes up that way too. But it's really grown in there. But this comes from the Candaba Dam. I'm fairly sure. But I may be wrong. I'm gonna have to look it up. Have to look it up, guys. So for now, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna get on the bike and we're gonna ride across the bridge and then back, and then I'm gonna try both ways, that way and that way. See if I can find the Peria. Okay, you guys hang tight. We'll get you on the next run. Get a fisherman picture. He's down there catching fish, buddy. Right now. Yes, we are in Santa Rosario. Out in the country of Santa Ana. Beautiful flower.
Part of Santa Ana.
Part of Santa Ana. The Santa Ana flower.
So beautiful.
Yeah. But what we really stopped was Cabo, because this creek over here. See how beautiful the creek is? The creek is so beautiful. But no, really, that's what we stopped for. Look at the farmland, and look, it's Mount Arayat. And it is looking good around here. Banana trees, a little creek run through, a lot of farmland, and a cell tower. And look, there's Mama.
Hi, YouTube.
Say, how are you, YouTube?
How are you, YouTube? I hope you're doing fine, YouTube.
But the little bridge goes that way too, and there's farmland.
There's a way also there, down there. I saw that car.
Where?
The white car right over there.
Okay, yeah. So maybe there's a road goes that way.
Yeah, maybe.
So we're gonna continue.
Picture so that, I mean, for your thumb.
Okay, so thumbnail is Mama.
Yeah. Not me.
Hey, Mama. Okay, we're gonna pause. So guys, look at the rice fields.
Just don't go fast.
Lots of rice fields. Yeah. Forever and ever, you can see them.
But the road down there still.
And then it's an accident-prone area, so it says to go slow. And then they got some roosters. They're looking at me. And some goats. man. Pause it.